All right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, got two cameras I'm holding up. I'm seeing which one is better. Don't know if I'll show you both, but maybe I will. Anyway, we're going for a ride on the Heybike, and it's going to be a little ride. It's not going to be a long ride, but we got a little bit of nice weather, a little bit of sunshine. It's late in the evening, and we are just going for a short little ride just to have some fun. Let's go. Let's go. It's it's like 6:45 in the afternoon, in the evening, and I just kind of want to go. Just want to ride a little bit. Ooh, that sun is killing you. That's a bright sun. We're going right into a bright sun. Sorry, guys. I just want to take a little ride. Kind of sitting at home watching TV. I'm watching YouTube. I'm watching this YouTuber. He has a Heybike, and he doesn't have a lot of subscribers, and he's only posted 2 videos, but I was enjoying his video, and I was like, I gotta go ride. I gotta go get some in. So it's 66 degrees. It's a very nice day. Got my lawn mowed. Didn't get my weed whacking done or anything like that. But I sure wanted to come ride a little bit. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to show it to you. You look right on the side of that tree. Right on the side of that tree, you can see Mount Hood covered in snow. I'll try to zoom in on it. Nice day out though. Got these dirt bikers over here, dirt biking. It's nice. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that? That was cool. 26. It's the fastest she's ever been. Going down that little hill. By the way, guys, I got some accessories for the bike. Don't know when I'm going to put them on, but I will put them on. Maybe within the next 2 or 3 weeks. The thumb throttle versus a twist throttle. Thumb throttles are almost on or off. They're not quite, but when you push the thumb throttle, it's very touchy from nothing to something. So you can go down quite a ways and then there's nothing, and then all of a sudden it jolts at you, and there's very little linearity to it. It's almost on or off. So that's a difference than a twist throttle. Twist throttle seems to have range all the way across around the twist. Not good or bad, on or off. I kind of like it because if I'm thumbing, I want it on typically. Now going back, the sun may be in our eyes for you guys in the camera lenses, and you may not get a whole lot of beauty or a whole lot of view. So I don't know where this might end for you. But I just wanted to go out for a nice little ride here. I'm telling you, every day I ride this little Heybike, it gets better and better. I think today's even better than my my long ride. You'll know this street. This is this is Commercial, the street I rode down 3 or 4 times on the last one. And again, the sun is right in my eyes too, peeps. I'll try to give you more of the chest cam, I think, at this point. Like I said, as you ride it, it gets better and better. This is about the 4th ride. One ride after the range test that's throttle only. And like I said, I was just busy today, and I knew the weather was good. It really didn't get good until after 1 o'clock. Then I'm watching this guy's video. Gosh, I wish I remember his YouTube channel. He doesn't have people, and he hasn't posted in a while. But pretty nice in that it made me want to come out and ride. If you do watch my other reviews on the other bike, and yesterday or today, actually, I think I released one on the carrier for the bikes, for the bigger bikes. You can carry this on the bike rack too, but you know, this one will always probably get folded up into the Jeep or something, rather than getting on the back of the bike carrier for me. But I had a time with that bike carrier. It doesn't show it in the video because I cut lots of it out, but gave me some fits at first. Stop and watch this again. This little track's been here for a lot of years. You don't usually see too many people out on it. It's nice to see people using it though. There he goes. Freaking way braver than me. Way braver than me, peoples. Alright, this is like the end of the runway right here, or the start of the runway. Right there. And it goes that way. Yep. Yep, we're a corporation that owns it. Like I said, 17 of us, I think. Had a lot of rainwater runoff. So 17 of us own it, and I think about half of them fly. I don't fly. I don't fly because big people don't bounce. Big people do not bounce, people. So I gotta take care of this gravel. Look at the grass and the gravel right there. So I gotta take care of that. Oh, I'll show you some more. I got grass in here. Now my John Deere will take care of most of it, and then I'll weed it. So it'll be fine. But it's a bit. Hey, see, I mowed my grass, the inner grass anyway. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, see the green in here I gotta get out? Yeah. But trees are blooming, looks nice. Alright guys, I appreciate you joining me today. Get out and ride your bikes. Get out and ride your e-bikes. Get out, have some fun if the weather's appropriate. And enjoy the outdoors. Hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And you'll see us on the next episode. Thanks for joining me.